A Philippine expert has said that U.S. democracy is flagging in the eyes of the world and rendering the vote of the people meaningless.
American democracy has been deteriorating over the past decades. More Americans believe their government served the minority, not the majority. Now, I think the term democracy is simply from the old Greek name of a people and rule, the rule of the people. But it never said how that rule will be formed, what structures. The electoral and so-called democratic process has frozen into two warring parties. It's constant. There is never a compromise, a real compromise, because each party wants to stay in power or grab power so that they can enjoy the economic and financial bonanza from being in power. So it is no longer the welfare of the people. The corporate interests, the financial interests became more and more powerful in the American system, rendering the vote of the people meaningless. So there is actually no effective voting already. And all media is controlled by the moneyed class. Voltaire said electoral democracy is a one-day democracy. One day that they can vote, and after that, it is the actual power behind the government. And in the United States, it is the moneyed class that runs politics. And this is caused by the gridlock because of the party system, by the meaningless performance of the two parties, major parties, because it's always the money interest that wins. American democracy is flagging already. It is sagging already in the eyes of the world. I think this is the end of American democracy as the shining beacon on the hill. That light is fading, and there are new lights that will shine, including China's democracy, Singapore's democracy, our Asian democracies,